Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Saudi Aramco is keen to invest huge in India. Energy Efficiency Services Limited joined hands with energy service companies to scale up building energy efficiency program. Power Global partners with RAP Eco Motors. Coming to the details. India's 178 billion chemical India's $178 billion chemicals market is already the sixth largest in the world and is set to expand further over the next few years as rising disposable incomes and changing in consumer consumption patterns boost the use of cars to consumer goods, according to ratings agency ICRA. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's pledge to reach net zero by 2070 will speed up India's transition to electric vehicles, boosting the use of plastics in batteries and charging infrastructure. Saudi Basic Industries Corporation is seeking to play a bigger role in India as the nation's net zero target boosts solar power and electric vehicles, creating a demand for specialty plastics and chemicals. Cevix resins can reduce the weight of components from dashboards to tailgates by as much as 40%, which allows the vehicles to go further with a single charge. It's also keen on supplying materials for building floating solar plants, an area that could see rising interest as acquiring land for solar parks becomes challenging. Energy Efficiency Services Limited will partner with private sector energy services company to scale up its building energy efficiency program. EESL is developing business models for collaborating with private sector energy service companies and broadening its service offerings in the building energy efficiency program in the view of huge market potential in the country. Building Energy Efficiency Program is being implemented since 2017 and so far EESL has invested around 350 crore rupees in the program. Around 11,000 buildings have been covered under this program through the retrofitting of inefficient appliances with energy efficient products like LED lights, energy efficient fans and super efficient air conditioners. It wouldn't be wrong if we said that the electric revolution is slowly engulfing the automotive world. While it has already started taking over the world of two and four wheelers, it seems like electricity would charge its way in the three wheeler industry as well. There is a new company called Power Global which has made an agreement with RAP Eco Motors for its mass market electric three wheeler product line Rainy, which includes a passenger auto rickshaw, delivery van, and cargo vehicle. Following an initial product launch in April 2022, the company will partner to manufacture 50,000 electric auto rickshaws over the next 5 years, advancing both companies' roadmaps for Made in India manufacturing. Additional news today: 70 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 81.4 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 8 days. NTPC's fourth unit of 250 megawatt Nabinagar thermal power plant has successfully completed trials. Ashok Leyland subsidiary Switch and Chandigarh City Bus Services Society flagged off commercial operations of first lot of 40 electric buses in Chandigarh, seeking government to install prepaid electricity meters in a phased manner to ensure operational efficiency and sustainable use of energy by consumers. Power Discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 147.24 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details: price discovered during night 2 rupees 1 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 78 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 3 rupees 65 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 2 rupees 92 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 2 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 1.67 million units of volume cleared with weighted average price of 4 rupees 45 paisa per unit. Thank you.